Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daljeet here, and again I am back with my makeup tutorials and with lots of new makeup trends and makeup looks for tea time and party time. I hope you will like my videos as you liked it earlier also, and give me a lot of love and support so I can make more videos and I'll create more new looks. And I hope these looks are going to be more helpful for all those who are really aspiring makeup artists and want to learn makeup. Thank you so much for watching my video and recreate this look and tag me on Instagram, and let me know if you want to see any other look, any other more videos, and please subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Now I'm gonna use Marc Jacobs. This is hydrated primer, and I'm just gonna take one dot of this primer and I'm gonna use it on my cheeks. After a primer, I'm going to use a Farsali liquid gloss, and this is really good to give that natural glow on your face. And I'm just going to use little bit on my cheeks area and just few drops on your face and just nicely blend it. So now I'm going to use a Tarte medium honey concealer on my upper eyelid area. This is kind of a base which really you gonna require it before starting any kind of eye makeup, and you can easily blend it with your finger. So I'm gonna take this Libra shade for transition shade for my crease, and I have a Huda right, so I'm gonna put the crease over here, and I'm gonna just with a soft hand I'm just gonna put my brush on a forward and backward motion and just little bit of color on my crease. And I'm gonna do the same with the other eye also. And now I'm gonna take hot mess shade. It's little bright wine shade in same family shades like purple. And I'm gonna use a different brush. It's like little fluffy brush from the top. And I'm gonna take it a little bit and I'm just gonna put it on the outer corners of my eye. And then I'm gonna put on my crease also. Now after putting this transition shade on my crease, I'm gonna take this light cosmic shade is on the top corner, and this is very beautiful foil shade with little small glitters inside it. I'm just gonna put it in the center with my finger. Just like this you need to blend it. Now I'm gonna use Sigma E25. You can take any small fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna take this vortex shade, this bright dark shade. I'm gonna just take a little bit on my brush and on the edge of my eye. From the NYX, and it's really beautiful liner, and you just need to create just not gonna create very thick lines for the liner because I don't want to stick my liner above my hood. So just on the edge I'm just gonna give it a little lift. So here I'm gonna use a Benefit or Pro Pencil number shade 4 for my eyebrows. First I'm gonna refill all the eyebrow, And with the help of the spoolie, I'm gonna comb first my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna refill my eyebrow, and then I'm gonna see where I need to reshape it. So after makeup, eye makeup and my eyebrow, I'm gonna use this eye curl from Sephora. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. First, I'm gonna do a concealer on my face, and this is from Tarte in a shade Medium Honey. I'm gonna use it under my eye area. Bridge out my nose. And now I'm gonna take a beauty blender. You just take any blender, but just wash it and squeeze it nicely before using it. Don't use it dry. It needs to be squeezed with the water. And soft hands, so you have to just tap it nicely whenever you put the concealer on your face. So now I'm gonna move it to the foundation. I'm gonna use a Lancome 03 shade, and this is really good for the dry skin. So first I'm gonna take it a little bit on my face. It has a good coverage, medium coverage, so I don't need too much foundation on my face. And with the same beauty blender, I'm gonna just blend it very nicely all over the face. So I'm gonna do the favorite part for makeup. I'm gonna do the contouring, and I'm gonna use this LA Pro beautiful bronze shade, and this comes in the tube, so you don't need to take it out. It just simply just create it a line around your nose. And over here on your chin area. Contouring is basically wherever you want to create a shadow on your face to make it look thinner. I generally prefer to do powder bronzing, not into cream, because it's a full makeup looks. Personally, when I have to go and rush somewhere, so I prefer to do bronzing on my face with the powder. Again, you have to either you use your beauty blender to blend these lines, or either you can use any brush. But my favorite and easily available this brush. This is from Real Technique, and this is their contouring brush, and it's really helpful to give that smooth effect of contouring. It's very thick and dense from the front. Now I'm gonna take a Huda Beauty Pound Cake. This is a setting powder from her, and it's really amazing. And it has very beautiful fragrance. And I'm gonna take a dry beauty blender. I'm just gonna press it nicely. And now, meanwhile, my baking is going to get set. I'm gonna use a bronzer from Fenty Beauty, and it's in the shade Bajan Gael, and it's look like this. And I'm gonna take a very small brush, fluffy brush. This is from Zoeva. I'm gonna take a little bronzer from my nose. gonna bronze it. Now we're gonna remove all the powder from the face. Setting powder. So I'm gonna take this blush and nicely on the apple of my cheeks. I'm gonna put it. Now I'm gonna use Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit for highlighting, and I'm gonna use this Starburst highlighter. I'm just gonna put it on my bridge of my nose, on my cheeks, cheekbone area, cupid bow. So let's begin with the lip part. I'm using a NYX pencil. It's a nude shade and a name shade Stockholm, and I'm just gonna create lip line. I'm gonna use my favorite Huda Beauty lipstick, and it's in the shade Interview. And now I'm gonna use to fill my lips. So time for false lashes. So finally, I'm gonna use a mascara to complete my makeup look for today, and I'm gonna use it this Marc Jacob Blackest Black mascara. And this time I'm definitely gonna share a lot of information about a lot of new makeup products and makeup trends. So I hope you all gonna like this time the whole series of the makeup trends, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.